Creating your first TikTok video. Hey there, everyone. Let's continue your journey into the new awesome world of TikTok marketing. You just completed your Pro TikTok profile for business, and now you are ready to start posting your content on the platform. That means that in this lesson, we'll be showing you how to create and upload your first TikTok video step by step. Getting started. You can access the TikTok video creator from anywhere on the app. All you have to do is to tap on the Create shortcut icon in the bottom center of the screen. Creating the video. You can start creating a video right after you open the video creator. This is an easy-to-use tool that will let you add lots of funny elements that increase awareness and engagement. Let's start from the top to bottom. The first feature you have to use is sounds. When you tap on Sounds, you will be taken to the Sounds Gallery screen. Here, you can choose which sound or music track you will use in your video. On the Discover tab, you will find the most popular sounds first. You can tap on the Discover a Sound button to try the featured sound. You can then either tap on Use this sound to use that clip in your video, or on Try another to discover other clips. On the playlist section, you can discover sounds and clips by categories such as trending, viral, global hits, Latin hits, comedy, challenge, news, and spooky. You can check the most popular sounds on each category by scrolling down this screen. You can try each sound by tapping on the play icon in the sound's thumbnail, and to add a sound to your favorites list by tapping on the bookmarks icon corresponding to a sound clip. You can also search for specific sounds or clips by entering a keyword in the search bar. To select a clip from the results, simply tap on the clip you want to use and then tap on the confirmation icon to load it into your video. Awesome! Now it is time to select which camera you'll choose to record your video. You can do this by tapping on Flip, which will switch between the front and rear cameras until you select one. When you tap on Speed, you can select the speed at which you'll record your video. When you tap on Beauty, you'll activate Beauty Mode, which is a filter that cleans up faces featured in your video. You can tap on it again to turn it off. When you tap on Filters, you will be able to choose from a variety of filters. Please consider that if you are creating videos for a brand or business, it is important that you choose a consistent look for your videos. Selecting a fixed set of customizations on this menu will be a vital aspect of branding your marketing videos on TikTok, because it will help your audience associate your videos with a distinctive look and feel. Lastly, when you tap on Timer, you can select the stopping point for the sound clip that you use in your video, using the slider function in the sound clip graph. Alright, let's now look at the functions in the bottom of the screen. Let's tap on the effects icon first. Here you can select a crazy variety of effects for your marketing videos. These effects can help you to make your videos funnier and more engaging. And all you have to do is to tap on an icon to select it. It will immediately appear on screen. Okay, let's now tap on the Upload icon. This function will allow you to upload a video or image from your device's gallery into your TikTok video. Okay. Now that you have fully customized the video, it is time to record. To record a video, you simply have to select the length of the video first. You can select between 60 seconds or 15 seconds. For marketing videos, it is recommended that you create 15-second videos. After selecting your preferred length, tap on the Record button icon. Your video will start recording, and you can start performing right away. Once the video stops recording, you'll just have to tap on the confirmation icon. You will be able to make some edits in your video after it is processed. You can tap on Filters to add or change the filter. You can tap on Trim to cut the sound clip you selected. You can tap on Volume to control the volume of the sound clip. You can also tap on Sounds to change the sound that you already selected if you want. There are additional visual edits you can make to your video. For example, you can tap on Effects to apply effects such as transitions and splits. You can tap on Character to add on-screen text to your videos. Finally, you can tap on Stickers to add stickers or emojis to your video. Now that you are done editing your new awesome TikTok video, all you have to do is to tap on Next to go to the post screen. Here you have to enter a description for your video in the Describe field. Here, we recommend you tap on the hashtag button before typing a keyword or search term. This will help you expand your reach. Now review the permissions that you'll allow for users that interact with your video, and then tap on Post. And that is it. Your new video will start uploading, and all you have to do now is to wait until it starts getting a ton of views and interactions. But this isn't it. Stay tuned, because we'll be showing you how to use these videos to go viral to expand your reach beyond your usual audience in the upcoming lessons.